Supreme Court orders Hyderabad Police SP to provide security to Sathish Sana, who had lodged bribery and extortion charges against CBI Special Director Rakesh Asthana. SC declines to stay the summons issued to Satish Sana by the CBI to appear for questioning and orders to provide adequate security as he fears threat to his life. Meenakshi joining us on the phone line. Meenakshi, we just played out that information which you sent us. Now, if you can break this down for us, does this mean that Satish Sana will now have to depose with, of course, adequate security that is being ordered by the Supreme Court?
Well, indeed, Afrida, the big message here is that the Supreme Court has taken into account the concerns which Satish Sana has expressed about there being a looming threat to his life, and therefore the security aspect has been conceded and granted by the Supreme Court. The top court has directed for Hyderabad Police to provide adequate security to Satish Sana. But that apart, the Supreme Court for now has refused to stay the CBI summoning of Sana to record his statements, which our viewers will recall was the reason why yesterday Satish Sana, to begin with, had knocked on the doors of the Supreme Court. He said that he feared imminent risk or threat to his life, and therefore he wanted for the Supreme Court to intervene and have Sana depose instead before the CBC under the supervision of the former retired Supreme Court judge.
Right, and he is one of the prime witnesses, Meenakshi, who had lodged the bribery and extortion charge against CBI Special Director Rakesh Asthana. So his deposition, his testimony will be extremely critical, isn't it?
Well, indeed, Afrida, he is the linchpin in this whole case, and why Sana's moving Supreme Court assumes import is because with Sana's plea in the Supreme Court, we've also seen earlier in the morning today, Bassi, one of the investigating officers into the Rakesh Asthana case, also moved Supreme Court. So there is this level of mistrust which is very, very well highlighted and brought about in the present change or the change in investigators, which has been brought about as a result of the midnight overhaul, has also brought about this element of mistrust, which is there with the current dispensation in the CBI.
Right. The unfortunate part being that the main scandal has somewhere got lost in the text, because now we are only talking about who's going to be investigating whom. Meenakshi, thanks for joining us.